What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario only. Si Grem, busy with life, pero babalik naman real soon si Grem. But if you clicked on this video, guys, nakita nyo na medyo controversial in a way, pero karamihan na nakikinig sa podcast natin. Or kung follower ka ng Philippine Basketball, gets nyo na for the
You know why?
for the past decade,
Decade
iba
na ba?
iba talaga yung appeal ng overseas league pagdating sa PBA, no. Now, we still love the PBA. Obviously gumagawa kami ng content regarding the PBA, not for the PBA kasi hindi naman nila kami kinukuha. Pero in terms of talent na makakalaban mo sa overseas league and also the money, no, the opportunity that you can get, it beats the PBA any day. At nakita nyo tong thumbnail to, di ba? It's Mike Phillips with signing with the former team of Matthew Wright, Jerry Abadiano in the KBL na also one of the surprising ones, Jamie Malonzo. Ito ba yung Earth Friends and Tokyo Friends yung kay Jamie?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Malonzo, Japan.
And
Kasi bro, ang dami. It's not just that. Jamie,
oh,
Matthew Wright just resigned. After, dude, bro, Matthew was in the Philippines for a while or in the States taking care of his mom. Tama ba?
he was here for a
Tapos,
while.
yeah, and then he went back to Japan. Si Kiefer, there have been talks of Kiefer
Oh,
going.
Ryukyu. He's with
Yeah,
Ryukyu na.
yeah, that's
Nag-sign
why,
na
diba?
siya with the
Si,
Golden
si
Knights.
Keith,
Oh, Golden Kings.
Yeah, bro, si Keith, di ba, pinag-usapan na medyo may chance bumalik siya sa PBA.
Oo,
Pero wala,
pero
he's back in
kung
Japan for
Ryukyu,
3, 4 years. Bro,
kung Ryukyu naman
um,
kukontak sa'yo, Mario, di
yeah,
balik sa
bro,
Japan.
if the Ryukyu Golden Kings are asking for you,
Sige.
you say yes.
Kasi parang they were just one piece away yung Ryukyu
Yung Ryukyu.
from winning
Uh,
the B-League Championship. Di ba lagi silang kapos? Sila yung team na always getting to the finals but kinakapos.
Parang the year, hindi, Chiba yung nanalo ata the
Chiba,
year.
Chiba. Mm.
Basta I'm not sure. Alam ko Chiba yung nanalo, yung katapat nung Nagasaki this year. Anyway, but yeah, Kiefer, we'll talk about Kiefer more later. But yeah, going back to yung intro mo. This video, yeah, we're gonna talk about how there have been so many moves, di ba? Like you said, Mike is with Kyoto Hanneries. Jerry was signed to Ulsan. Then the PBA boys, they decided to go back. There's even rumors of Harold Alarcon going to um Edges, KCC Edges, the team of Will Navarro before, di ba? So, that's the one I was talking to you about before we started recording. Nakalimutan ko.
Ano to? Sino to? Sino to?
Si Alarcon to
Oh
KCC.
yeah,
Hindi pa
yung
siya
buhok San.
finalized, pero may
Kagi yung ngayon ko lang
rumors.
na-realize yung San Juan, ano yun, no?
Dude, ginugil ko. Sabi ko, sino kaya?
Ubus
So,
ah.
it's Alarcon pala. Pero di pa
Oh,
finalized yun. So, we'll talk about it one by one. So, yung Mike to Japan,
oh.
um, this is not a surprise, di ba? Nobody should be surprised na nag-abroad si Mike Phillips. He was the best center in Philippine collegiate basketball for maybe
By a mile.
3 years. Can we say 3 years?
Malayo si Mike.
Not counting
Malayo.
FSAs. Yun. Actually,
Kahit laban siya sa FSA, bro.
you can count
Laban siya.
FSAs. Yeah, the
Para
only
siyang
one.
FSA.
Kaya nga. The only one I can say na medyo may laban kay Mike was si Q eh. But Q only played for 1 year. So that's not really,
At iba yung 6'11
we'll
length
just give it to
ni...
Mike. Yeah.
Iba yung 6'11 na ano pa rin, QMP.
Ito admittedly, I'm surprised sa Japan pumunta si Mike. I'm
Bakit?
surprised.
Okay na. Kasi ano na siya eh.
Kasi
Technically local na siya eh. Kaya pwede na siya
yeah,
sa Japan eh.
pero men sa Japan, we all know Japan shooting is everything, right?
Yeah, oo nga.
And to be fair, same din kay QMB when he got signed to Japan. I was also surprised kasi wala rin mga
Sa
shooting si
Chiba.
Q. Yeah, and Chiba
Baka sa
is,
Chiba, ang dami na lang, baka madaming shooters.
but
What
it's
do
the
you know
size
about
talaga.
Chiba? It's really the
Hmm?
size, yung appeal sa
Yeah.
kanya.
The size of both Mike and Q were the ones I guess that got them there. Yung kay Mike
Okay.
in particular, hindi lang sa size pero yung galaw ni Mike,
Okay.
yung uh yung energy ni Mike, it's something maybe you could say na baka medyo kulang yung Kyoto Hanneries for that, and there's no better, the only person who I could say might have gone to Japan before Mike might have been kay Manny Ladi, pero hindi naman considered local si kay
Siya
Manny,
local.
'di ba? That's why. So if Kaimani had local status, I believe nag-Japan si Kaimani. But because he didn't, it really will be Mike next up to go to Japan. The thing I'm hoping and praying for kay Mike pagpunta niya sa Japan is, my gosh, if he can turn into a decent shooter, which Japan will do to you, di ba? Like, Japan's whole thing is having people who can shoot the ball. Big man, small man, anything. Kahit free throws. If Mike can turn into a decent shooter from the free throw line, 75 to 80%, if Mike can somehow gain a semblance of a three-point shot, oh my God, dude, that's a strong, that's a scary Mike Phillips, di ba?
Mm.
Uh, that's that's the scariest version of Mike. That you'll be able to see. So medyo maganda to for Mike Phillips and his career. It sucks if you're the San Juan Knights. Obviously you wanted to keep Mike Phillips, especially with how good your roster is. And you also lost Jerry Abadiano, who I think is only gonna play until the end of the month. So medyo maraming nawawala sa San Juan Knights. You still have Torres and Alarcon naman there, and the rest of, and Orlan Wamar of course is still there. But this one was kind of surprising for San Juan, I guess. I don't know if did you see anything kung may problem yung San Juan with him going abroad or wala?
Oo, 'di ba si kay Mike? 'Di ba may
Yeah, I didn't
sinasabi sila
I
na
don't remember.
hindi daw nagpaalam, it's more of, si Ben lang yung nagsabi. Pero ito yung Mario, in my opinion kasi, hindi mo na kailangang magpaalam, eh. Sometimes yung agent mo na lang yung magsasabi. And dahil sa Philippines tayo, gusto nila yung harap-harapan sasabihin, dapat para may delikadesa in a way.
Yeah.
Pero I think that's our customs, no? In a way, parang both sides, parang may miscommunication. In terms of being professional, tama, okay lang yun. Sinabihan pa rin ni Ben na aalis si Mike, ganyan, ganyan. Pero I think the manner of, ano tawag doon yung, di nila na-read, they didn't get to read the room, how
Mm.
things happen here in the Philippines. So dapat may medium doon
Mm-mm.
or something, 'di ba? Dapat at least may middle ground when it
Yeah.
comes to how to, kaya parang in a way na burn yung bridges. Pero hey, 'di ba? It already happened. Water under the bridge, hindi na siya pinag-usapan ngayon. Point
Yeah.
is umalis na siya and someone's not winning anything now that three of their main guys have left. Time to call Jan
Two
Jan
pa lang.
Felisilda.
Two pa lang. Two pa lang yung umalis ha.
What do you
May
mean? Si Harold ba hindi pa ano?
Di pa finalize yung kay Harold. Di pa finalize yung kay. Parang may rumors pa lang yung kay Alarcon.
Okay, okay.
Rumors pa
So
lang yung
you
kay
heard it
Harold.
here first, guys, kung may
Uy, hindi,
nangyari.
marami nag-post. Baka mauna pa
Marami
tayo.
nag-post, di ko nga alam eh.
Harold, Harold Con. Nakita ko
Ano?
to eh. May nag-post talaga eh. I don't know why they said na baka mag-Korea siya. But anyway, we'll be able to find out naman kahit ano. Um, But yeah, dude, it kind of sucks for San Juan. May Raylan pa naman sila, and I forgot Orlan Mamar, of course. I forgot, may isa pa silang magaling eh. I just forgot his name. You can't get Jan Jan anymore. Di na pwede si Jan Jan. Kasi Jan Jan plays for Nueva Ecija mo si Jan Jan? Abra. Basta one of the two, Jan Jan Felicilda plays for, man.
Oh,
So, I forgot which of the two. Basta medyo big time yung team ni Jan Jan. So, I don't know, man. But it's a good move for Mike. I believe it's really a good move for Mike. For his career also. You know who this sucks for? This sucks for the number 2 pick in the PBA draft.
bakit?
Hindi yung number 1 ah. Ano yung number 1? Ikaw yung mahihirapan between Mike Phillips and kay Manny Ladi. 'Di ba?
Mm,
Uh, and then yung number 2, whoever is not taken dun sa number 1 na yun, yan yung kukunin mo. 'Di ba?
mm.
And now na wala na si Mike, and most probably si kay Manny lang um, yung who's gonna be declaring. Who does the number 2 team has a difficult choice to make now. Hindi na siya kung sino yung natira. It's now, and let's be real some names who we expected to declare are not declaring. Right? Jerry is one of the names who we thought was a first rounder. Mike, obviously.
So mukhang ano Jacob Cortez to ano na, Hinebra kung gano'n.
Jacob, Jacob, RJ Avarientos backcourt.
Pado, hindi
So,
ko gagawin yan. Hindi ko gagawin
see,
yan if
man,
Hinebra
if
ako. Pangit. Parang
bro, if
CJ
they
and Dame lang.
sino to? Who can you get? I think if
Okay,
Ginebra yung
merong DJ Fenner, merong Dom Escobar,
Hugo
merong
Fen,
JD
okay yun.
Kagulangan.
Uy, yung kay JD, bumalik si JD sa Korea.
Talaga? O di, wala ng JD Kagulangan.
Wala pa
What do
atang
you think
sign.
about Mason Amos in number
Number
2?
two?
Hindi ba?
No, 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 no.
Even though na Hinebra
No, no, no. No.
pushed him.
You know
The
why? I'll tell
reason
you.
Mason... Oh,
You know why I'll say no? It's because
bakit?
Coach Tim removed Mason from the pool.
Because Mason's young. There are other players naman to choose
Then
over
again,
Mason.
bro, if he wanted to keep Mason, he would have kept Mason.
He would, no.
He would have kept, bro. We've seen him put any name he wants in there. You're telling me he can't put Mason. Uh,
Okay,
uh,
pero dahil wala na nga Mike, Mason,
he
and
does,
Japet
Mason goes
Aguilar's
higher.
old. And
He
this
doesn't go
is
two though. He could go two.
first round, first round.
First
Mason's
round,
first
yeah.
round.
First round.
Okay, okay,
First
okay.
round, especially since wala nang Abadiano na rin.
Mm-mm-mm.
First round, probably si Mace. Speaking of Abadiano, we'll move on
Si
to that.
Escobar could be a sneaky number 2.
Bro, yung
Tom?
Escobar kasi hindi lang yan para sa ano, hindi lang yan para
Ano,
sa
hindi
stats
lang.
eh. Ano yan eh, branding din yun, man.
Oh, bagay yan for Ginebra. Escobar,
Bro,
ilalagay mo
that
yan
is
sa mga
the
poster.
exactly. Bro, you have
Isa
no
EDSA,
bro,
Escobar.
you're drafting Dom Escobar not just with the basketball skills, but you draft mo siya para sa brand sa ano,
Marketing.
I mean, sa marketing niyo. Because that's
Oh.
like, it's like Dave Ildefonso. Dave is a very good basketball player, but 1/4 of the reason you draft Dave is because he is marketing extraordinary. When he was yung first season niya sa Abra, 'di ba ina-ambush nga siya ng mga tao doon?
Nabatukan pa nga eh.
Yeah, bro, he was getting mauled in wherever he would go. So
Oo.
Dom is one of those people. Speaking of Jerry to Korea, I'm surprised. I was surprised.
Yeah, the Jerry
Uh,
Abadiano to Korea was surprising. Not because I didn't
that
think he was good, no. It's more of, wow, parang nauna pa siya sa iba.
exact same thoughts,
Yun. It's
honestly.
more of nauna pa siya sa iba. I'm not saying na hindi siya deserve. I'm saying na naunahan niya pa yung iba na most likely na maiisip natin na magko-Korea muna.
Same. Akala ko baka mauna si Cortez. I thought Jacob Cortez
'Di ba? May
might
rumors na eh.
forego his last year sa DLSU to play in Korea. It makes sense. That's what KQ did. 'Di ba? It made some level of sense. Then others will say na Alarcon probably should have been first before Jerry. It can go either way. The Alarcon versus Abadiano debates are one of my favorite debates. But honestly, it could be really good for the KBL. Medyo nakakabigla lang talaga yung Jerry Abadiano dun. He was a perfect PBA player eh. Jerry was the perfect PBA player.
Mid-range king. Yung pull-up sa mid-range.
Yeah, mid-range gods, defensive
Pero
nightmare.
for Korea agad ah. Like that's
Yeah.
wow.
Hey man, good for him. Really, really, really good
Na
for him.
naisip ko, sino ulit yung taga CSB na nakuha sa KBL?
Oxon. Si
If Oxon
Migs.
can make it, parang nakita ko
Jerry.
Jerry could make
Eh,
it.
dude, kasi si
Kasi parang
Oxon.
unpolished version ni Jerry si Oxon eh.
Oxon is much more of a three-point shooter than Abadiano, though. But
Pero
the
in a
team
way,
that
similar
signed,
games sila eh. They're a jump shooter. They
yeah, but the team
prefer...
that signed Jerry was the team of Oxon.
Talaga? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, hindi ko alam yun prior to me saying that. But now
Yeah.
that you verified it, all the more na gets ko bakit siya kinuha. Okay,
Team-
galing ah, okay.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm not gonna. The team that
Kasi hindi ko alam na sino yung
I
alam
was
ko lang na
surprised.
cable si Jerry.
Yeah, when
So
the
ano
team that
kumuha sa
signed
kanya?
Jerry was one
Yung
of Oxon.
Mobis? Yung
Yeah,
Hyundai
that's
Mo...
Mobis. That's Mobis. He's going to Mobis.
Okay.
But I don't know if that means that Oxon's coming home.
May sinabi,
Maybe.
wait mo nga, Miguel Locson. Miguel.
Oh, one para to si Abadiano.
Walang latest kay Oxon, no?
Pa yan yung team niya. Yan yung team niya
Oh!
dati. Then,
Suwon, KT Boom, Sonic Boom. Miguel Oxon,
ah,
1 month ago.
so where's JD going? That's JD's team.
JD, di ba bumalik na siya dito because of the ACL injury? Pinakawalan na siya eh.
Yeah, but I thought na ano siya.
Well, point is,
They're
Miguel
keeping him there.
Oxon's going to...
He's still in there. Okay, that's fine. So,
Yeah.
okay, so JD might be going out to the PBA. Well, maybe.
Si Oxon mukha ng Koreano, no? Lahat sila naging mga Koreano.
Kahit
SJ,
nung nasa Pilipinas.
JD,
Uy, si ano talaga, si SJ Belangel. Si, si
Si
SJ
SJ
when he
iba
went to
talaga yung
Korea.
ano no. Iba
Bro, si
talaga yung
SJ naging pure
nagiging
Korean.
Koreano ka, matik.
Naging pure Korean si
Pero
SJ
si
dun.
Okzon NU pa lang mukha na siyang
N-
Koreano. Okay.
NU.
He was
NCU.
NU nung high school. He was NU
Ah,
nung high
really?
school.
I don't know, I don't know. I thought he went to, I forgot what, anyway,
Yeah,
uh,
CSB naman siya pero sasabi ko
yeah,
lang na ano na
I forgot,
NU.
I forgot. So JD could declare for the draft. I remember seeing something na pumunta siya, like they'll still keep him on contract, pero di siya papalaruin para mag-heal siya. But whatever. Doesn't really matter. Also the same team that got Jerry was the one that signed Figueroa for a few months. Yun yung time
Mm.
na that was also the same. That's still the so maybe this Mobis team just likes Filipino players. They always end up finding one. Good move for Jerry. Of course, it's a good move for Jerry. Um, and according to when this article came out, may nakausap akong taga UP, close friend of
Oh.
mine. He said, "No one on UP deserves this more than Jerry." Kasi Jerry was first in, first out, last out sa gym. And he was the hardest worker, one of the better voices of the team. So he said that talagang deserve and he believes na between Jerry and Harold both should go abroad, but Jerry deserves it talaga. So this is a really great move for Jerry Abadiano, man.
That's good. Yeah. And I think to wrap this up, no. Uh Kiefer to the Ryukyu Golden Kings, Jamie Malonzo, another, kala ko tapos na siya sa Japan niya, bro. Like, kala ko
Yeah.
it was nung
Akala ko
napakawalan
pauwi
siya
na siya.
ng team niya, kala ko pauwi siya agad and everything.
Akala ko pauwi na siya. Kasi nung pauwi na si Will Navarro, sabi ko, sasabay itong si Jamie. Dalawang SMC yun eh. So like, Will and Jamie. But hey man, another team. I think this is yung kay Malonzo's B2 eh, not B1. It's not so it's like parang, how do I say this? Parang MPBL not really MPBL kasi in Japan kasi it's the best team sa B2 goes up to B1, the worst team sa B1 goes to B2. So may tier system talaga sila. Um so I guess you can say na he's going to the B2 Earth Friends. I forgot. I think this was Matthew's old team. Uh but yeah, so still even if there have been chances to go back to the Philippines and there have been a lot of names who were supposed to declare for the PBA draft. Medyo kita mo pa rin na it's the abroad or the other countries, Japan, Korea, are still where they want to play right now. Um, Even if for some they don't really get as many minutes, I guess talaga the difference in how much they pay, the benefits they can get, the training they can get, I guess always into um them choosing to go there. And until I guess the PBA, I don't really know if I'm being honest what else the PBA can fix. Kasi obviously the problem here is that the salary of it, um yung max ng PBA is 420,000 a month, I think,
Ah,
something like that. And based on what Nico and I know, the offers of these people are
but the
much
1M
higher,
PHP.
almost 1 MPHP or
Not
1 M
almost,
above.
some at least 1 MPHP.
Yeah. So you have to understand that as well. Yung sa PBA, I don't know how to fix it. Kasi,
Para di rin tayo parang, just remove the salary cap. No, wag na tayo maglokohan na walang,
edi wala nang mapupunta sa ibang. Well, to be fair, we're acting as if people follow the salary cap, man. Nobody follows it.
so paglagay na lang tapos people really have to follow or increase nila yung yung
Increase niyo yung cap
it's not
or
as
I don't
easy, di
know.
ba? It's not as easy pag shoot, di ba, now that we're namumulat na yung mata natin sa business. Parang
Yeah.
hindi naman ganun kadali yun eh, na sasabihin mo sa business, uy, kayo, increase niyo yung salary niyo. Di ba? Ang daming kailangan ibahin dyan eh.
The PBA doesn't earn a lot. The tickets aren't selling that many.
Yeah.
The PBA doesn't
Ginebra
earn
lang
that
yun.
much. So like, it's kind of hard, I would say. To my knowledge, if I forgot, I remember somebody said that most teams sa PBA are losing money.
Yeah.
I
Even
forgot.
SMC, parang they're kind of breaking even lang daw eh,
Yeah,
sabi.
parang ganun lang eh. So, you have to understand din na why hindi rin maangat-angat nung salary sa PBA. And at the same time, you can't hate on these guys for wanting to go abroad, bro. Even if even Mamu, according to Mamu and his agent, may offer sila to go to Japan or Korea, diba? Um, I don't know if it's true or not. Uh, Probably is naman because he's a good player. But
Yeah.
you know, sometimes if you really want to just a basketball career is a short career, 'di ba? Unless you are LA Tenorio who um after finishing or Jimmy Alapag who after finishing their playing careers go straight into coaching or Norman Black or whoever you want to talk about. Unless you're that a basketball career ends once you're done playing. You don't after that it's not much else after. So I guess in their primes, they want to earn as much as they can, which you can. I don't think anybody can hate on that.
Yeah. And yun lang naman guys, no? It's pretty much yung nangyari sa PBA ngayon. And actually mga nangyayari sa overseas league. We're gonna discuss the PBA when Grem is back para mas masaya na. Iba kasi yung knowledge ni Grem sa PBA. Pero sabihin ko lang bago tayo mag-end, my God, Darius Days. I think they should change Darius Days.
Bro, I'm
Yung
gonna
mga
be
umabot sa
honest.
part na to, kung ako sa inyo, di ba?
I'm
Like,
so
guys,
sorry. I'm so sorry.
parang hindi ako believe kay
If
Darius
you
Days, ah.
lose, if you lose to Titan Ultra,
By 16?
and I get it, according to them, they didn't have a lot of players playing, di ba? Parang liba yung, parang may apat na starters na wala sa
Bro, kahit na.
TNT. I, I don't care, bro.
Kalokohan yun.
Titan's not a team you
Titan
lose to.
kalaban mo eh.
Titan's not a team you lose to in this day and age. Titan has lost literally every single thing. Um,
And every ounce of respect.
yeah, I'm
Mas may
sorry.
respeto pang natitira sa akin sa Northport, ah. Kaysa Titan.
Bro, at least yung Terra, masasabi ko pang, sige, you lost to a Terra Firma team
Oh,
with Gio Chu,
they got their number one
with
option
Wami
pa.
Chongson.
Laban sila.
Laban
Laban
yun.
sila.
Or if you lose to Blackwater, I can say, no, oh, you lost to Cedric Bearfield.
Pero laban sina Coach Pat Aquino sa Blackwater.
I
Iba si
love
Coach
Coach
Pat.
Pat Aquino. I love Coach Pat Aquino. We'll talk about that whenever.
When Graham is
But
back.
man, as early as now, some of you all gotta look at changing your imports.
Darius
So
Days feel ko wala na next week.
Darius, which is funny because Darius has been here for like
Oh
um
bro, ano
a
pa?
while.
Semifinals pa.
Yeah.
Semifinals pa ng previous conference.
So I bet yung Hinebra,
Hindi
they
niya
were
pa
like,
rin
sana si
maka...
Darius na lang yung pinalaro nyo nung sana si Darius yung pinalaro nyo nung finals. To lang pa. If instead of CMAC. Oh my God.
Pero gagi si Darius Days mukhang, ano yun? Mukhang entourage nung nandun sa
He
bench.
was big guy. He's like
He's a
smaller
small
than
guy.
everybody.
Oh.
But like, he's built. He's built kasi. But
Mm.
man, some of you gotta look into changing your imports. Converge. Uh, I,
Sana Mario, mga tipong Bryce Cotton, pero masyado
wow.
mataas yung pay range ni
Ang
Bryce
taas ng
Cotton.
pay, ang taas ng pay.
Ibang kasi
Wait,
si Bryce
I just
Cotton.
want to check something before we go. I just want to make sure of one thing before we go.
Oh,
Sorry. A second. Ito. Okay. It
Bryce
is,
Cotton.
where is the thing? Where is it? Aha. Yeah. Jalen Hudson.
Mm.
It might be time.
Jalen
Converge. Converge. This is two imports that you have not done great with. Kyler Kelly wasn't the option, and Jalen Hudson is not great. If I'm being honest with you, maybe it's time to look around. Yung Ross, we can give them a break for a while now kasi they got their first win with Fuller and he's been okay. Pero man, um, tatlo kayo. Magnolia, TNT, Converge. Start looking. I believe it's time to start looking.
Yeah, gusto ko yung comments pa rin yan ni Coach. Ano tawag dito? Ah, ni Coach Delta sabi niya, pansin ko rin yun eh. Talaga, gusto ko may gano'n siya comment. Oo, napansin ko rin yun eh.
Yung sa Magnolia pala okay siya. I thought he was pretty bad. Okay pala yung sa Magnolia.
The best yung comment na yun. Ano pansin niyo yun? Napansin ko rin eh. Okay. So, ano gagawin mo? Napansin mo na pala eh.
He just goes, alright. Parang yun yung sign na, okay, magsiuwian na kami. It's not.
Hindi, kala ko may follow-up siya doon.
Wala, yun na
Hindi,
rin.
yung
Yun
sagot
na ba
niya.
yun?
Napansin niyo yun? Pansin ko rin eh. Okay, anyway, yun lang naman. Sana naman di lost conference for Converge, no? Kasi may laban naman talaga sila if you look at the lineup eh.
Oh yeah.
But But yeah, again, too many coaches. I really hindi ko na rin nakita si Coach Raiko sa bench. Not sure kung napapansin nyo rin yun. But yeah, this is gonna be something na pag-usapan natin when Graham is back.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much guys for listening. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. We'll see you all next time.
Peace.